Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google AI Pro for free for 1 year. This plan will include Gemini 2.5 Pro model, 1000 monthly AI credit, Flow, Notebook LM, 2 terabyte storage in Drive, and other great features. It is easy to get it. So first thing, you go to your browser and search for Gemini Pro student. Okay, then you select the first link, get free for students. Then you click on get offer here or here. Then as you can see, it will be 0 per month for 12 months. So you just go with verify eligibility. They will make sure that you are a student, so you select the country where you study, your university, you fill out the other info, and then click verify student. In my case, I already do that. So after doing this, you should have something like this. You already subscribed. And like this, you will have 1 year of Google AI Pro for free. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel.